Good evening, Tagalog learners! Isa na namang Tagalog video lesson. And on this video, we are going to have Tagalog words and phrases that you can use for traveling. So, let's start! Before we do the Tagalog phrases, let's do the Tagalog words first. Pamasahe. Pamasahe. Money for fare. Fare. Sukli. Change. Kaliwa. Left. Kaliwa. Kanan. Right. Kanan. Direksyon. Direksyon. Straight. Derecho. Derecho. Malayo. Malayo. Far. Malapit. Malapit. Near. Banyo. Banyo. Restroom. Bayad. Bayad. Payment. If you guys pronounce it as bayad. Bayad. Bayad means paid. Para means stop. Saying para while riding the jeepney or the bus will cause the driver to stop. Say this when you're ready to get off. Para. Now, let's do the Tagalog phrases next. Let's start with, excuse me, pwedeng magtanong? Excuse me, pwedeng magtanong? Saan dito ang bus station? Or, saan dito ang estasyon ng tren? Or, if you're getting lost and you're looking for the way to go someplace, saan dito ang daan papunta sa? Saan dito ang daan papunta sa? Where is the way going to? Also, I just want to add, guys, that it is important to show respect when speaking to someone older. And we do this by using po and opo. For example, you're lost, and if you're going to approach someone who is about the same age range as you are, you can just go and ask, excuse me, pwedeng magtanong? So, let's say if you're going to approach a person who seems to be in her 60s, especially, or in his or in her 70s, it is rude to say, excuse me, pwedeng magtanong? But you should say, excuse me po, pwede pong magtanong? Excuse me po, pwedeng magtanong? It is the polite way to ask. That's it, guys, about being polite. I just want to tackle that a little bit before we continue with our Tagalog phrases. But I am not going to discuss more about po and opo on this video because that would be out of topic. Instead, you guys can check the comment section below. I'm going to put my article link there, how and when to use po and opo, so you can read more about po and opo, how to use it, and where to place it. So, let's continue with our Tagalog phrases. Excuse me po, pwedeng magtanong? Magkano ang pamasahe? Magkano ang pamasahe? Or, to be polite, magkano po ang pamasahe? How much is the fare? Paano pumunta sa? Paano pumunta sa? Or, when speaking to someone older, paano po pumunta sa? Saan dito ang pinakamalapit na? Saan dito ang pinakamalapit na? Pinakamalapit. Saan dito ang pinakamalapit na? If you're walking and you want people to give you way, excuse me, excuse me, makikiraan, or makikiraan po, makikiraan po, nasa na ba tayo? For example, nasa Manila na ba tayo? Or, Nasa Baguio na ba tayo? Are we in Baguio now? Malayo pa ba? Malayo pa ba? Malayo pa ba? Is it still far? If you're on a jeepney, for example, and you wanna hand over your fare, bayad po. Bayad po. You can also add your destination. Bayad po, Gloria. That means Gloria is your destination. Or you can add how many people you're paying for as you hand over the money and your destination. Bayad po, isa, Gloria. Bayad po, isa, Gloria. Here's my fare for one person and my destination is Gloria. If you want to make sure that you get off the right place or you just want to let the driver know about your destination and make sure that you get off on the right place, you can say or you can tell the driver, pakibaba ako sa, or to be polite, pakibaba po ako sa, for example, Gloria. Pakibaba po ako sa Gloria. Pakibaba po ako sa Gloria. Or, you can also say, pakisabi po sa akin kapag nasa na tayo. For example, our place is Gloria. Pakisabi po sa akin kapag nasa Gloria na tayo. Or, pakisabi po kapag nasa Gloria na tayo. Pakisabi po kapag nasa Gloria na tayo. Kindly let me know once we are already in Gloria. You're almost on your destination or you're about to get off and you haven't received your change yet. You can remind the driver by saying, "Excuse me po, malapit na po akong bumaba, sukli ko po." Or, you can mention about the change first. "Excuse me po, sukli ko po, malapit na po akong bumaba." "Excuse me po, sukli ko po, malapit na po akong bumaba." If you want the driver to keep the change, bayad ko po, sa inyo na po ang sukli. Bayad ko po, sa inyo na po ang sukli. Now, let's say that again. The normal pace. Bayad ko po, sa inyo na po ang sukli. If you're ready to get off, you can say, para, or para po, para po. That means you want the driver to stop and you are ready to get off. Also, if you guys are riding the jeepney or the bus, you may want to say it a little bit louder just to make sure that the driver could hear you. Para po. Para. You can also say, dito na po ako. Dito na po ako. Another way to say, I'm getting off now is, bababa na po ako. Bababa. Bababa na po ako. Bababa na po ako. I'm lost. Naliligaw ako. Naliligaw ako. Or to be polite, naliligaw po ako. Naliligaw po ako. You can also follow that with, naliligaw po ako. Or naliligaw ako. Hinahanap ko ang daan papunta sa, naliligaw po ako. Hinahanap ko ang daan papunta sa, I'm lost. I'm looking for the way going to ask the driver if he has or she has a change for, may sukli ka sa, let's say, may sukli ka sa 100, or to be polite, may sukli po kayo sa 100. May sukli ka sa 100? May sukli po kayo sa 100? Just go straight. Diretso lang. Diretso lang. Or, diretso lang po. Kanan tayo sa Teddy Bear Street. Diretso lang po. Kanan po tayo sa Teddy Bear Street. Or, kaliwa po tayo sa Teddy Bear Street. Saan ang banyo? Saan ang banyo? Saan po ang banyo? May nakaupo? Is this seat taken? May nakaupo? Or, may nakaupo na po? May nakaupo na po? Is this seat already taken? So, ayan, natapos din. Finally done. That's all guys for our Tagalog words and phrases that you can use when traveling. Until next time, happy weekend. Babush!